Hey there, all you LG Smart TV owners. Today, I'm here to introduce you to the replacement for LG Magic Remote Control with pointer voice function. This amazing remote control is designed to make your TV watching experience even better and easier than ever before. With the intuitive mouse-like pointing and wheel control, this remote allows you to navigate through your TV's interface with ease. No more struggling to find the right buttons or menus, this remote puts everything at your fingertips. Plus, with preset app buttons for Netflix and Prime Video, you can get to your favorite content with just the push of a button. And the best part? It's super easy to set up. All you have to do is put the batteries in, point the magic remote at your TV, and press the wheel, OK, on the remote control. It's that simple. Plus, it's compatible with a wide range of LG TV models, so no matter which one you have, this remote will work for you. But the real game changer here is the voice function. With support for Google Assistant and Alexa, you can control your TV with just the sound of your voice. It's like something out of a sci-fi movie, but it's real, and it's available to you right now. So, if you want to take your TV watching experience to the next level, I highly recommend getting the replacement for LG Magic Remote Control with pointer voice function. Trust me, once you try it, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. And the best part? You can get yours today by clicking the link in the description below. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to upgrade your TV setup. Get your magic remote now.